Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to add custom devices on Ginjer. For this demo, I have a custom made temperature and humidity sensor which sends data in this format. Let's add this to Ginjer. So I'll go to Setup, Devices, and I'll click Add Device and quickly fill this form with all these details. And done. So I have this device in the list. Let's configure it to show some outputs. So I'll click configure, go to outputs and create one. First I'll be adding temperature. So I have this small JavaScript code which takes in incoming hex data and converts it into temperature values. I'll repeat the same process for humidity as well. And save. That's it. Now this device can be used anywhere in the Ginjer projects.